Today we will learn some basic things of Photoshop. After opening Photoshop, you will see something like this. There are some old projects in front of you, and if you are using Photoshop for the first time, then nothing will happen. You may see some options on the left side. First, your files. You can save all your files in Photoshop's cloud. It works just like Google Drive. Then you can share documents through shared files through cloud only. In Lightroom Photos, you can also use the photos used in Lightroom software. In deleted, the Photoshop files that you have deleted will be shown. Now there are two options above, New File and Open. After opening the new file, you will get presets of artboard size. You will find presets of every size in every section. If the size you want is not available in these presets, you can create an artboard by typing width, height, and resolution here. And all these are given in units to measure your size. These options are also given inside it. These are all color modes. If you want to post on social media, then select RGB color, and if you want to print, then select Kime color. Then there is the background color. You can change it according to whatever color you want the artboard in. Then there is pixels aspect ratio, in which you have to select the ratio of the width and height of a single pixel. Then click on Create and the artboard will appear in front of you. Then it's time. Open it. By clicking on Open, all the images and Photoshop files in your computer will open. This file will open. Now you will see something like this on the screen. This thing on the left side is the toolbar. With the help of these tools, we can edit images. There is a menu bar above. There are some things in it too which can be edited. There is a Layers and 3D panel in the right corner. When you place an image, text, or object one above the other, these are called layers, and the 3D effect applied to any text, object, or image will be shown here. This is the Properties bar in the right top. It tells the properties of an image or object. Okay, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel, and see you again in the next video.